Welcome to the series seminar video of Germanische Heilkunde, by Dr. Dr.Hamer, MD. These two seminar videos cover the very comprehensive topic of the sensible biological special programs of the transversely striated skeletal musculature. The task of these special programs is on the one hand, in the active phase due to functional failure, that is the motor paralysis, which is the apparent death reflex. And on the other hand at the end of the healing phase, a functional improvement. I will explain the symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase. Several case examples are used to make the various associated conflict contents understandable, such as, not being able to escape, not being able to fight off, etc. The objective is to correctly interpret symptoms such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, stroke, polio, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, bedwetting, febrile convulsion, Hallux Valgus, muscle atrophy, etc. You can learn more about this in the combined approximately 2.5-hour seminar videos.